Ever wonder why losing weight feels like such an uphill battle? Well, you're not alone. Many people feel exactly the same way. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I went from 250 pounds down to 180 pounds in a little under a year. So the first step in unlocking the secrets of fat loss is understanding the basics of nutrition. Because the secret to achieving and maintaining fat loss is not about extreme dieting. It's understanding these principles so you can provide your body with a balanced intake that allows you to maintain a healthy deficit. Nutrition science breaks down what your body needs into two main categories: macronutrients and micronutrients. When you think about your macronutrients, think about a plate in front of you divided up into three different sections. Each one of these sections represents a vital component of your diet. Each one of these sections represents either protein, carbohydrates, or fats. And your body needs a proper mix of all three of these macronutrients to not only achieve proper fat loss, but to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So protein are the building blocks of life, literally. Protein not only helps us build new muscle mass, it helps us repair the damage that we do to our body, and it even helps us keep a healthy digestive system. Think of proteins as the bricks that make up the wall of your mighty fortress. So when it comes to protein, you should be aiming to eat about 1 gram of protein for about every pound of lean body mass that you currently have. This is not only going to help you preserve the muscle mass that you currently have, it's actually going to increase your metabolism because consuming plenty of protein actually has a positive metabolic effect. Now, when it comes to good sources of protein, you can consider eating anything from fish, turkey, lean beef, and among a lot of other high quality protein sources. Next on the list are going to be slow digesting carbohydrates. And you guys, I know that these get a bad rep, but slow digesting carbohydrates are not your enemy. Quite the contrary. Slow digesting carbohydrates not only provides your body with a consistent flow of energy, but slow digesting carbs actually keep you fuller longer throughout the day. Think of slow digesting carbohydrates as the bundles of wood ready to keep the flame ignited. Excellent sources of slow digesting carbohydrates can come from whole grains, veggies, and fruits. Now, next up are going to be good healthy fats. Even if it sounds counterintuitive, it is extremely important that you eat enough healthy fats in your diet. You see, the thing is that healthy fats are not only an excellent source of energy for your body, they help maintain healthy hormone levels and a healthy sex drive. So think of healthy fats as the insulation within the walls of your mighty fortress, helping keep the cold out and retaining the heat in. Now that we talked about macronutrients, let's talk a little bit about micronutrients. These are the nutrients that even though your body needs them in a smaller amount, they're nonetheless essential for a healthy lifestyle. So when you think about micronutrients, think about guardians that are always on the alert, ready to protect your fortress at an instant notice. Because these are the nutrients that are going to help your body maintain a healthy immune system. So now that we have all of this nutrition information, how do we actually apply it? Well, easy. First step is going to be to determine how many calories you have to eat to be in a calorie maintenance. Or in other words, how many calories do you have to eat in a single day to not gain weight or lose weight? I've covered this topic before in other videos, so once you get done watching this video, hop over to those videos. But a very simple way to initially calculate what are your maintenance calories is simply get your total body weight and multiply that by 15. That's going to give you a rough estimate of what your current calorie maintenance levels are. Now, step number 2 from there is simply establishing a very small, maybe 10 to 20% calorie deficit from your calorie maintenance. Or in other words, whatever your calorie maintenance is, go ahead and slash about 10 to 20% of that in calorie. This calorie deficit is the key to actually achieving your fat loss, because if you don't eat less than what your body requires to maintain its weight, there is no way on earth that you're ever going to start losing and melting off those extra pounds. Now, notice when I say a slight 10 to 20% calorie deficit, you don't really want to go any higher than that, you guys. If you cut your calories by too much or you create too large of a deficit, you actually run the risk of your body going into catabolism or starvation mode. And honestly, you want to avoid this at all costs. See, once your body goes into starvation mode, it's the equivalent of your body saying, oh no, red alert, the world is about to end. Your body is going to do everything possible to retain as much fat as possible and make losing fat extremely difficult. So do not make the mistake of cutting way too many calories. Now, while eating a balanced, healthy diet and having a slight calorie deficit are amazing steps to achieving your fat loss, that alone is not enough. You need to start incorporating physical activity into your daily routines. And when I say this, I don't mean just intense weightlifting. There are a wide range of movements that you could add into your daily routine to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle and burn those extra calories, to burn off those extra pounds. For example, walking, jogging, and swimming are excellent forms of exercises that help you maintain a healthy lifestyle and help you burn more calories. Now, when it comes to weightlifting, however, that's a game changer. Not only does resistance training help burn those extra calories, it actually helps build more muscle, which, if you didn't know, the more lean muscle mass that you carry, the higher metabolic rate that you have. Meaning, in other words, just by having more lean body mass, your body burns more calories throughout the day, even at rest, making achieving your fat loss that much easier. When it comes to incorporating physical activity into your daily routine, just start slowly, and over time, progressively increase the difficulty of your exercises. This is going to ensure that you keep on getting better over time with the concept that's known as progressive overload, and at the same time, it's going to reduce your risk of injury. Being consistent is key. It's not about working out for 7 to 9 hours on one day and then slacking off for the rest of the week. It's about doing small increments of exercises that your body can recover from every single day on a consistent pattern. Make sure that you're giving your body enough time to rest from everything that you're putting it through. Making sure to get enough sleep every night and taking adequate rest from your intense training every now and then is going to help maintain energy levels, it's going to help you maintain overall healthy, and it's also going to help you maintain motivated throughout this entire process. And when you have the motivation to keep on pushing every single day, that's going to help you phenomenally in your weight loss journey. Think about it this way, you guys. Working out and dieting should not feel like a punishment. It should feel like something that you enjoy because you're working to getting healthier. So if you are struggling to lose those extra pounds, make sure that you incorporate the tips from this video into your training routine, and also make sure that you watch this video.